my channel. You are tuning into 50 Flavors of Bree, and I am Bree. And on this channel, you will see a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of all that. And today in this video, I am going to be trying MAMBO sauce.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on it.
And this is courtesy of Shogun K. Let's see if I got his intro. Oh, guys. Peace, beautiful people. Shoot. Peace, peace, beautiful people. It's your boy Shogun K. Oh, dang it. Back like 4 flats on a Cadillac. Bra straps, 4 flats on a Cadillac. Jeez.
Peace, beautiful people. It is I, Shogun K, back like bra straps and 4 flats on a Cadillac. Jeez.
Oh, I forgot what he said. He said it so freaking fast and my memory bad, and I watched that hours ago. But today in this video, he recommended in my other video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's the video with me reviewing the pink sauce. He recommended that I try the MAMBO sauce. And after watching the video, I was like,
I said to myself, I say, self. Myself said,
This kind of seemed like the Midwest sauce. So are we bridging the gap? Are we, you know, coming together? Midwest versus East Coast? What? I'm so excited to try this sauce that I made some fried chicken, because in that video he was just munching. Look at him. Makes no sense, right? The way he was just eating it, just teasing people. No, but before we get into this video, I just have a question. What are you doing? Like, you haven't hit subscribe, you haven't liked this video yet, and you haven't commented down below that. Girl, you crazy. But make sure you check my description box, because since I hit 300 subscribers, I said that I was going to do a giveaway. I didn't want to dedicate a video to that. So you may just find a giveaway in one of my description boxes. So yeah, check the description box. But before we get into this video, I just want to say I thank you guys so much for supporting this little bitty channel. Little old me. Introverted me, you know. Okay, I'm annoying. It's just blah, 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 blah. It's just too much. But I feel like I'm rambling, so let's get up into this video. I'm going to go ahead and say grace and cut that part out. Amen. So I am like excited. So I got some fries back here that you guys can't see, because I was watching several videos on YouTube. They were like, oh, it's a chicken and fry thing. This just reminds me of JJ's, you know, that little sauce that they got. Yeah, you know, if you're from the Midwest or in Chicago, they may have something different, but you know, look at this. I did really good. Let's go ahead and dip this in there. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, you just want to bite. You know what, I'm gonna just go for it. Go for some conceal. The only thing I had to go out and get was chicken. And why is chicken so expensive? Well, I'll say down in another city, it was like $19. Like, honey. But here, it was a good $12 for a pack of wings. I'm used to it being like $6. Them chickens still thick. I'm annoying, but this sauce is pretty good, okay? Mr. Shogun, look at that. Sauce, saucy. One thing that I added that he didn't add was ginger. And I added some lemon juice. I only added this because he mentioned it. But I had some habanero powder that I added. And honey. Okay. See, I don't know if in the East Coast you guys add lemon pepper on top of the chicken. Like, it's not the regular lemon pepper. It's like a dust. It's like illegal drugs. Because that stuff. 50 Shades of Amazing. How many of you eat the wing tips? I do. Let's try it with a fry. This sauce, I did a number on this chicken. Like, look at that. Look at the smoke. Can you see the smoke? Oh, you know me. I'm always kicking stuff up, then I check out the danger. Watch your back. So, I'm gonna be a daredevil. This sauce is good the way it is, but look at that. I am going to pour some B-loves. This should be illegal. Y'all be asking like, why I be biting it like that? It be so good. Like, so good. So good. So good. I gotta eat. Y'all got some more of that chicken up there? I'm annoying. And another thing, like outside of these videos, I don't eat like this. I don't eat like this. So when I do take that first bite, honey, it be feeling like I just walked out of heaven. I'm not talking jagged edge. This chicken is well seasoned. Ooh. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Ooh, excuse me. Delicioso. He be like, I need some ghost pepper powder because habanero gives that extra kick. But and then I seasoned the sauce a little bit. Just whittled it. We really lost a great person. He said something in one of his interviews, and I'll see if I can find it to insert it. But it just reminded me a lot of myself. So if I go out, I go out by myself because I don't go out. But if I were, like, let's say if I be like, oh, I need some me time, I'm gonna just go out. I'm typically by myself. And he was like, I'm the quiet person in the room, but everybody be on me. I felt that so tough. Because when I go out, people be like, where you from? Or, oh my God, you just look so different. Like, your vibe is just different. Everybody be flocking to me. And I'm just like, I'm an introvert. So even doing YouTube is hard for me, but that's so fire. This taste is indescribable, but when you just add some danger to it, my bad, when you add some danger to it, honey, and I ain't talking shrunk the kids. I'm annoying. But back to what Takeoff said, it'd be like that. Damn. Like, I don't have to be the loudest one in the room. I think I said this in a previous video, like, I don't talk. I really don't. So for me to be behind this camera, like, talking as much as I do, if I was to see some of y'all in person, I probably wouldn't say that. I'll be so quiet. I just vibe out to myself. I'm my own best friend. Besides my little shouty, that's my girl. But Shogun, you the GOAT. It's so good. Look at me, a pound of fries. Not even a pound, but I'm just not eating them. Cause I'm a carnivore. I'm annoying. Y'all need to try this sauce. Y'all better come up and get some of this. What's that? Some MAMBO sauce. From where? The DC DMV area. What's in it? Whatever Ed said. A little ketchup, a little lemon juice.
Well, you start off with a little lemon juice and some ketchup.
That's all y'all need. Oh, first of all, that's all y'all need to know. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know if you tried this MAMBO sauce, and be sure to tag Shogun K and go check out his video if you do decide to make this sauce on your channel or whatever. So that was all for this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.